Hello friends, welcome back to Restart UPSC. 40 children are standing in a circle. One of them, say child 1, has a ring. The ring is passed clockwise. Okay. Child 1 passes on to child 2. Child 2 passes on to child 4. Because their difference is 2. Okay. Now child 4 passes on to child 7. Difference is 3. And so on. Okay. After how many such changes will the ring be in the hands of child 1 again? Let's write the possibilities. See here, from first child, it is moving to second, since the difference is 1. Next, from 2 to 4, the difference is 2. Again, he has given from 4 to 7, difference is 3. Okay, the difference value is increasing. Right? Now, let's write the numbers. These people are sitting in a circular fashion. That means 1, 5, 15, 25, and 40. Okay, 1 and 40 will be side by side. Right? Let's keep it aside. Now, from 7, difference will be 4 now. It will become 11. From 11, difference is 5. It will become 16. From 16, when you add 6, it will become 22. Right? From 22, 7 no, 29. Right? From 29, 8th person, it will become 37. From 37, 9th person. Right? Since these people are circular, okay, who will be the 9th person? After 37, 38, 39, 40, and next we will start from. See, 3 persons are there. How many persons are remaining? 6 persons. 6 persons, no? So, we will go to 6th person. Okay? No. From 6th, we need to add 10. 16. Okay? From 16, we need to add 11. Okay? 27. Right? From 27, we need to add 12. It will become 39. No. From 39, we need to add 13. Right? After 39, there is 40. So 1 person gone. In 13, 1 person gone. Means 12 persons are remaining. So he will go to 12th person. Right? From here, the ring will be given to 14th person. From 12th, he will be 26th person. Right? 26th child. From 26, you need to add 15. So 26 plus 14 is what? 40, right? So 14th person will become 40 and 15th person will become the first child. Okay, see, from here we are getting here again to first child. Okay. He's asking what? How many changes are done? See, these are changes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Right? Answer is B. Okay. 54th B. Right? Let's go to the 55th question. Right? 55th question. We'll solve it. Okay. So, what is the middle term of the sequence? So, Z 2 times, Y 3 times, X 4 times, W 5 times. Okay. Let me see how many alphabets are there. 26 alphabets, right? Now, he has taken Z 2 times. Then, A will be written how many times? 27 times, right? Right? Since there are 26 alphabets, he has taken 2 Z's, right? So, he is not starting with 1, he is starting with 2. Right? Then what will be the A is the 26th term now in the sequence. Since he is taken Z 2 times, so A will be taken 27 times. Right? Now see it. Now let's find how many terms are there in the sequence. See, it is starting through 2, 3, 4, 5, so on up to 27. Right? So here, if we put 1 here, we can see that it is sum of n natural numbers, right? We need to find how many terms are there. What is the formula? N into n plus 1 by 2. Right? What is n here? 27. So 27 into 28 by 2. Cancel. This. Put in the, what is the value? 27. Okay. 108 and 27. 8, 7, 2, 378. But this is not the total number of terms. See, we have taken a value one additionally so that we can find the sum accurately. Right? That means we need to subtract 378 with 1. So, how many terms are there now? 377 terms. Okay. See, this is odd number. That means exactly we can find middle term. Right? See, if there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 numbers. What is the exact middle term? 4, right? Here 3. Here 4. Okay. Then there are odd numbers. We'll get exactly the middle term. Okay. Let's find the middle term. Okay. I'm erasing it. This is 27, right? We need to find the middle term. What is the middle term? 376. That is the exact half value, right? Right? 377 is the total numbers. We need to find the middle term. Right? It will be either we can take 377 plus or minus 1 by 2. Okay? Plus or minus 1. Anyway, we will get. So, I am taking 377 minus 1 by 2. Right? That means from here to here, there is a middle term. From here to here. I am taking minus means from here I am calculating. So, see, we will get the this term value. And we need middle term now. We get plus 1. Okay? Let's find the value. 377 minus 1 means 376 by 2 plus 1. It is 188 plus 1. 189. 189th term will be the middle term. Okay? Now, instead of going from set, let's come from the reverse. It will be very easy. A is repeated 27 times, right? So B will be repeated 26 times. C will be repeated 27 times. D will be repeated 24 times. E 23 times. F 22 times. G 21 times. Right? You see, these are all 20s now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means 140. Right? Now this will be what? From 1 to 7. So it's 25, sorry. 27 summation, right? 7 into 8 by 2. So this is 28. So this is 28 means how many numbers still here up to G? 168. Right? Now let's take the next one. H. H will be 20. That means up to here how many numbers are there? 168 plus 20. 188. See, exactly. They're getting 188. That means from here to here, this is the middle term. And from here to here, we already find out now. These are 188, 188 this side, and this is the 189th term. Right? See, that means up to here, H is closed. And now from here, I will be starting. Right? So, what is the exact middle term? I. But answer is B. 55 answer is B. Okay. So that's why there are in this paper there are lengthy questions. That's why this paper 2023 paper was very hard for us to solve because these questions are very lengthy. Right? They are not tough, but they are lengthy. They are very much time consuming. That's why this video is. I think this video will become very much lengthy. Please bear with this video. Okay? It is not my fault. It is the paper's fault. Okay? Now let's go to the next question. 55 10. No, 56 question. What is the question? Is P greater than P into Q is greater than 0. You see here in the question is not telling that whether P and Q are natural numbers or integers. Okay. If it is not given, we'll take P and Q are integers only. Right? It's telling P and Q greater than 0. Okay. I'll take minus 9 into minus 7. It will become what? Plus 63. Okay. Now P square is greater than Q square. Okay. What is P square? Minus 9 square will be 81. Yes, it is greater than minus 9 minus 7 square. That is 49. But in the question is telling what? Is asking, is P greater than 2? No. Minus 9 is less than minus 7. Right? So, what can we say? The question cannot be answered even by using both the statements together. Okay? In such type of questions are asked, you take better negative values. Okay? Take opposite to this question. Then you will be getting the answer exactly. Instead of taking positive values and next taking the negative values, take the negative value and that too opposite to the question asked. Right? If it's getting false, then the question is true. Right? He is not asking about whether this statement is correct or not. Whether we can find it by using these two statements or not. Okay. So we can't find using these two statements. Answer is D. 56 D. Let's go to the 57th question. Is P plus Q minus R greater than P minus Q plus R, where P, Q and R are integers. Okay. That means they can take negative values, positive values, 0 also. What is the statement? P minus Q is positive. That means P greater than Q, right? Then only P minus Q will be positive. Now, statement 2, P minus R is negative. That means R greater than P. Here, P greater than Q, no? So, greater than Q. Ultimately what? R greater than Q, right? What is given in the question? It is asking whether P plus Q minus R is greater than P minus Q plus R, right? So here, P gets cancelled. If this Q moves here, it will become 2Q and minus R will move here, it will become 2R. Right? 2 also gets cancelled. Q greater than R. But see, according to the statements, R is greater than Q. And the equation given in the question is whether he is asking whether this is greater than this or not. No, we are getting Q greater than R, no. So the question is false. But by using these two statements, we could able to tell that the question asked is false, right? Right? We can clearly tell that P plus Q minus R is not greater than P minus Q plus R. Right? See, please don't think that he is asking the answer. He is asking whether by using statements we can prove either this is greater than or less than. Okay. Right? So yes, it is not greater than, and we could able to tell it because by using these statements. Right? We need these two statements to tell that the question given is not possible. You can see, and the question can be answered using both the statements together, but cannot be answered using either statement alone. Right? Answer is 57C. Okay. Now let's go to the 58th question. I will solve it here. 58th question. In a party, 75% took tea, 60% took coffee, and 15% took both tea and coffee. So now this is a Venn diagram, right? This is tea, this is coffee. This is both tea and coffee. This intersection term is given 15, right? This entire value is 75. 15 is already taken. So this section will 60. Okay. Now coffee 60% are drinking. Already 15 is taken here. The remaining is 45. Okay. What is the total number of people's value who are taking tea and coffee? It is 60 plus 15 is 45. Right? Here it is 120. Right? This 120 is both tea or coffee. Okay. Now, no one taking milk takes tea. This is entire tea value, right? So milk value should not be intersecting this tea value. Okay. So it is, let's put in, let's see. Each person takes at least one drink. At least one drink. Okay. So there is a possibility that people who take coffee, they also take milk as well. Right? What is the statement one? 50% took milk. Okay. Is given. This entire value is 50. Okay. But we don't know how many people are in common between coffee and milk. Right? So there is no use of this statement to us. Right? Now see. From the statement number 2, number of persons who attended the party is 5 times the number of persons who took the milk only. Milk only. See, this is the value of milk only. So this shaded portion is the value of milk only. Let's take this value is x. Only milk value. Right? Now, he's asking. Now he has given in the statement number 2 that total number of persons, which means this total. See, he's telling they are taking at least one drink milk. Okay. So this entire total is equals to 5 times of this x1. What is the entire total? See here. This 60 plus this entire 15 plus 45 plus this x. Okay. Is equals to 5 times of x. Okay. That means 60 is this portion. No. This 60. This portion. That is 120. Right? 60 is equals to, sorry, plus this x, this milk only value is equals to 5 times of milk only. Okay. See what will happen? 4x, this x will be here. 4x is equals to 120. X is equals to that. Right? That means the people who drank milk only is 30 and total people attended the party is 5 times of x. 20. Means by using statement number 2, we could able to solve the question, right? Okay. So what's the option? Let's see the options. The question can be answered by using one of the statements alone, but cannot be answered using the other statement alone. Right? Answer is correct. There is no use of statement number 1. The 50th answer is 8. Okay. Let's go to the next question, 59th question. Consider a 3-digit number. Okay. He's asking what is the number. Statement number 1. The sum of the digits of the number is equal to product of the digits. When it is possible, it should be 1, 2, 3 only. No? Okay. The digit should be 1, 2, and 3. It can shuffle. Right? Either 122, 123, 132, 213 or something. Okay. We'll get 6 possibilities. Right. Asking what is the number? That means it should be a unique number. The number is divisible by sum of the digits of the number. That means it should be divisible by sum of the digits. What is sum of the digits? 6, right? Okay. When is a number divisible by 6? It should be an even number and should be divisible by 3. If we are taking 1, 2, 3 and digits are digits, right? So 1 plus 2 plus 3 it will become 6. So ultimately, even if you shuffle the digits, the sum is 6, no? So definitely it will be divisible by 3 and we need to take an even number. Okay. So what are the even numbers possible? The only Even number in the digits is 2 now. So in the units place, it should be 2. We can place 132, right? So 3, 1, 2. Right? But we are getting 2 numbers, right? He's asking what is the number, the unique number, right? We are getting 2 possibilities. So the question cannot be answered even by using the both statements together. Okay? See, 59, right? Let's go to the 60th question. For 5 children with ages A, B, C, D, E, C, A less than, B less than, C less than, D less than, E. Okay? Any two successive ages differ by 2. Okay? That means these are consecutive numbers with the difference is 2. I'll take C is A, then D will become A plus 2, D will become A plus 4. And this B will become A minus 2, A will become A minus 4. Okay? Now, already A is there, no? Let's take other value. Another value. Let's take it is X, okay? If it is X plus 2, X plus 4 will become X minus 2 and X minus 4. Okay. Now, statement number 1. The age of the eldest is 3 times of the youngest. Eldest is what? X plus 4. It is 3 times of youngest. Youngest is X minus 4. That is 3 times of X minus 4. Okay. What will be getting? X plus 4 is equals to 3X minus 12. X will go this side and 12 will become this side. So 2X is equals to 16. X is equals to 8. Right? So how we can write these values? I'll erase it. The values will be 8. So the difference is 2 now. So this will become 10. It is 12. Right? Here 6 and 4. Right? What is the question? What is the age of youngest? Age of youngest is 4. Yes, by using statement number 1, you could able to tell the youngest child age, right? Okay, now let's go to the statement number 2. The average age of children is 8 years. Average age of children is 8 years. A is 10. These are all consecutive terms, right? A, B, C, D, and E. So when an average is given 8 years, it will be the average, the age of middle person, right? So actually, we have taken the middle person age as X, right? X, X plus 2, X plus 4, right? Now, X minus 2, X minus 4. What will be the average? We have to add all these things by 5, right? See, when you add all these things, this plus 2 minus 2 cancel. Minus 4 plus 4 cancel. How many will be? What are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times of X by 5 is equals to, is telling average value is 8. So X is equals to 8. X is what? The middle person's age, right? So when the middle person's age is 8, we got middle person's age. So the next person age will be 10 and 12. The youngest person age will be 6 and 4. Yes, by using statement number 2 also, we could able to get the youngest person's value. Right? We got the middle person's age. This if this is 8. This is X plus 2 now. X plus 2 will be 10. X plus 4 will be 12. This is X minus 2 now. It is 6. X minus 4. This is the youngest person value. Then is 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. From here also, we could able to determine the age of youngest child. That means by using statement 1 and statement 2, we can tell the age of the person. See, in the options, the question can be answered by using both statements together, right? But see, by looking at the options, see what is the option? Question can be answered by using one of the statements alone, but cannot be answered using the other statement alone. No, this is not the correct. Question can be answered by using either statement alone. This is the answer. You can use either statement. But see, question can be answered by using both the statements together, but cannot be answered using either statement alone. No. Question cannot be answered even by using both the statements together. Answer is B. 6-step answer. Next video will be solving the remaining questions. Okay, friends, let's meet in the next video.